The topic of today's video is how to add widgets on Webull desktop. So here we are in the Webull app specifically, and what we want to do is move to the top left to this box icon here. That is where we can add widgets. Alright, so in this section we can see all the different widgets. You can go through the list if you want to. If you're looking for a specific widget, you can also search for it. And once you find the widget that you're looking for, all you need to do is click on the plus icon and you can move it around to wherever you want it. And then for instance, for this clock widget, I'd have to click on the pin icon just to keep it on top of everything. If maybe you decide you want a custom layout, start from scratch, you can just go in here and they'll give you a whole bunch of widgets and you can drag and drop them as you please. Let's take this key statistics and just now you can see that you can save your layout on the top here. And if you want a new layout, you can just click on that plus again. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.